That's XNote, the next generation of note-taking. Today, we'll explore the magic behind this AI-powered notebook. Let's dive in to understand why XNote is the game changer in the realm of note-taking. In front of us is a scene many of us resonate with, traditional note-taking. Elegant, serene, timeless, but as the ink flows, notice something extraordinary. Our Smart Pen, the pinnacle of innovation, tracks every stroke, every swirl, instantly mirroring it onto a digital platform. No delays, no scans, pure magic. As XNote reads, it does more than just see letters and numbers. It grasps the core of your thoughts, turning itself into more than a tool. It becomes a partner in your creative and intellectual journey. Imagine jotting down a complex equation or a graph. Just as the ink dries, XNote steps in, delivering the answer. It's not just understanding, it's instantaneous insight. With tasks jotted, they are recognized immediately. Check one off, and it updates seamlessly. And those notes from last week's meeting, a quick chat and they pop right up. Plus, with XNote's smart categorization, every page is automatically tagged with relevant keywords, making retrieval a breeze. From a student summarizing class notes to a professional distilling insights from a long report, XNote is there to simplify, transforming lengthy texts into concise summaries and even further into key bullet points. Efficiency isn't just a word, it's an experience. In a space where every thought is celebrated, witness a mind map unfold. As you etch out your concepts, XNote intuitively synchronizes. Engage in a chat and marvel as AI-driven insights enhance your brainstorm, elevating ordinary sessions to moments of pure brilliance. Exploring a new language or translating an important document? As you venture into the realm of words, XNote assists, translating every phrase with precision. In the digital age, privacy is paramount. Rest easy. XNote treasures your notes, guarding them with state-of-the-art, robust encryption. In merging the charm of tradition with the power of innovation, XNote stands unparalleled. It's not merely a notebook, but an intelligent companion. Welcome to the future of note-taking. Welcome to XNote.